This is the beginning of my OCC chopper with the motor in it. So here's my black bike. I'm going to come take the picture camera here real quick. So this is my bike. And I just opened the box for all the fun parts that we're going to put on it. Now I bought custom motor mounts. And in order to do these, I actually had to take out the bolts that were located here and here. These were in the front here, and these studs were located under here. They were just like this. And what I had to do was I had to put two bolts together and back it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount up the bracket tonight and maybe set the engine in. So let me do that for now. Put this on pause. So right now we have the front mount mounted. And these were 6mm by 1.0, and these were 16. These were 16 in size. The 25s were a little too long, and they were just felt like they were going through. But right, these were stainless steel. They were 6mm by 0.100 times 16, and they fit in perfect. Now here's the rear mount. Put that in. These are 20s, 6M 120s. They didn't have the stainless steel in that size, so right now I have the non-stainless steel. I'll probably go back and change them later on to stainless steel. So as for right now, that's really where we are with it. Okay, so again, the great stuff with building these bikes is that they come with absolutely no instructions whatsoever, so we'll be building it and figuring it out as we go. So stay tuned and watch this OCC bike turn into a OCC motorized bike. And as always, thanks for watching, and subscribe and continue to follow the project. Thanks.